Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating a makeup look on this minty eye. So this is a really nice pastel eyeshadow color and I'm really loving it. And all the pastel colors are so much in trend right now and I'm drooling over this trend. I'm loving all the pastel colors. So that's why I wanted to create a look by myself. And for today's makeup look, I decided to go with the mint eyeshadow. I love mint color. And for that, I picked this Huda Beauty matte and melted eyeshadow. This is in the shade called Minted and Dinero. So this is a really nice and so unique way of applying eyeshadows and doing your eye makeup. So I'm going to show you how to use these and also create an eye makeup using these melted shadows from Huda Beauty. So if you guys are interested in watching this eye makeup tutorial and also how to use these matte and melted shadows from Huda Beauty, then please continue watching. But before that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon. And now let's get started. So I'm going to take you through how these Huda Beauty matte and metal melted shadows look like. So one side of this looks a very pigmented matte formula and it has this applicator to sort of apply this on the eyes, and then you can just probably blend it with your fingers, and also you can use a flat tip brush to blend the shadow. And on the other side it comes with this metal sort of a formula which again comes with this applicator to directly apply it on your eyes. So these both colors complement each other and that's how this melted shadow comes in. So I really like them, and these particularly retails for 1995, like 2000 rupees. You can find them on Nykaa right now in India, and I absolutely like these and the formula. So the tip that I can give you to use these melted shadow is that when you are using this matte shadow, you have to be really careful with the way you apply it. Once you I would suggest you to create small dots when you apply, or just gently create a small line, and before it dries out you have to gently dab your finger in and blend the color nicely, because the moment it gets dry it becomes really patchy and flaky and it leaves sort of like patches around your eye area, so it doesn't look really neat and doesn't look blended, which spoils the look. So you have to be really careful while using these matte shadow. As we are going to start with the eye makeup, so my face makeup is done, it's all set, and I'm going to start with the eye makeup. I've already prepped my eye with the concealer and then set it with the compact powder. So now I'm directly going to start with this Huda Beauty Minted eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the shade called Minted. So what I'm going to do is to simply apply this whole color around my eye area, and I'm going to just start making small dots like this, and before it sets down I'm going to just use a flat shadow brush and just gently blend it around the area so that there are no harsh lines and it looks similar and even. Like I've blended the shadow on my right eye, I'm going to simply imitate the step for the left eye and as you can see, I'm just patting this brush into it, and you have to be really easy with it, because if you are going to apply force with the brush, then your shadow will kind of cracks up and it looks really patchy. These melted shadows are really pigmented and very nice. Just creating a line. So now I'm just creating a sharp line in the outer corner of my eye just to give it a very defined look. Like so. See, I have given a very winged sort of a outline. It looks really defined and very nice. Similarly, I'm going to do that on the left eye. Just taking very little amount on my brush. And now I'm going with this flat brush and decent amount, like so. So I'm going for the lower lash line. I'm just simply creating very small lines. I've linked the shadow which is on my lower lash line with the upper wing so that it looks really connected and in sync with. It's like a animal kind of a look. So for the next step, I'm going to take this shadow which has a name called Dinero, and I'm going to just take it. It is a very shimmery sort of a color which has mintish tint to it. And what I'm going to do is just take this brush and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm going to create the stroke of this shadow and taking it up towards the center of my lid, like so. Similarly, I'm going to follow the same step for the lower lash line. So that's how it's looking, and I'm going to repeat the same step for the left eye. I'm creating the strokes up towards the center of my lid, and I'm doing this very gently. It's sort of looking like a very wet look. So we'll step for the lower lash line. So that's how my minted eye makeup looks like. So I was planning to apply the black liner, but now I'm ditching the black liner. I just like this look as is. So I'm going to be completing this look with the help of mascara, and I'm going to be using this Urban Decay Perversion mascara. This is a very nice mascara if you're looking for voluminous lashes. It sort of like curls your lashes and make them look really voluminous. And you can also ditch falsies and just apply a coat of this mascara and you're good to go. So I'm going to apply this. So with the mascara, my makeup look is ready, and I'm just going to complete the whole makeup with a dash of lipstick. And for the lipstick, I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty Trendsetter. That's it guys, this was my eye makeup tutorial in this mint look using these Huda Beauty matte and metal melted shadows. I hope you guys like it. If so, then please give a thumbs up to my video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram for more fashion, beauty and travel related content. I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care.